Guys, what time is it?
Dude, it's too early. It's too early. I literally woke up.
Where are we going?
California. It's not real. It's not real, guys.
Too early. What time is it?
Not even that.
6:02. We're at the gate. It boards in half an hour. Lisa is downloading Netflix.
Look, I still have Brooklyn Nine-Nine from when I was in Europe.
It expired though. Netflix America needs to put Brooklyn Nine-Nine on, but we're not going to talk about that because it's depressing. Because Brooklyn Nine-Nine just got. Don't say the word. Don't say it. I'm not going to say it. This weekend is a happy weekend. It's a good weekend. We are flying to California to see this person right here.
Who's that?
Who's Taylor Swift anyway?
Ew.
We're going to Santa Clara night 1. These vlogs are just gonna be like incredible.
I know.
We have this whole day of traveling, and then the same day that we are flying from New York to California, we are seeing Taylor, and then the next day we're going to San Francisco, and then the next day we go home. Expect fun vlogs, fun adventure, because traveling to California to see Taylor thanks to this one right here, entering a contest on Facebook and forgetting about it. Thank you Levi's. Hashtag sponsor me. But we've never like known anyone who wins this stuff. She's the only one that I'm known. Like, we enter this stuff all the time, but no one like ever wins.
No one ever wins this stuff.
And we like now like we know someone that won, and it's just like we had so many questions. We still have so many questions.
Yeah.
But we can't talk to anyone because we don't know anyone that's done this.
Right.
But we're gonna go through it, and we have Mary and Melissa over there.
That's your way to do that.
And we got Starbucks. Actually, you can have my Starbucks. And here's to my real friends. Can I have my Starbucks, please?
No.
They don't care about that he said, she said. So, I'm gonna go. And we'll see you on the plane where we're not sitting together, and I'm really mad about it. Okay, bye!
Oh,
say it.
Bye!
Where are we?
We're in San Francisco. We just landed.
For what?
For some random show. I don't know if you can tell. I'm not a crazy fan or anything. Mary, pay attention.
Are you excited?
I'm gonna get in and out.
Yeah? In and out.
Okay, well, it's 1:30 right.
That's the name of our group chat, though. Okay, so how do we all feel that we're in California?
It's not real. It's not real.
How do we feel that we're seeing Taylor tonight?
Shut up!
How do we feel that it's... How do we feel... my birthday, guys! How do we feel that at home it's like lunchtime, but here it's 10:30 in the morning?
I'm in the mood for a burger.
It's lunchtime in my heart, it's lunchtime in my heart.
What did they give us at the hotel?
Gave us bracelets that says I love Taylor Swift.
And then our room, me and Elisa's room, is 11:31.
Melissa's hat, like,
I have a backpack and backpack or anything.
oh, I didn't notice. Oh my God. I wonder if we'll see other fans like staying here. Probably. I hope so. I love seeing fans.
I brought my PS socks. Usually when
Oh, I did too. I also brought my PS socks.
The light is red, and this one is just crossing the street. Can you tell we are from New York and not California? Jaywalking's illegal!
it's only illegal if you get caught.
True. That is true. And all at once, you are the one I have been waiting for. Pizza, my heart, body and soul. Wow, what a nice group lunch.